Come, princess. Tell him again.
Buy my boyfriend a popcorn. What?
Small video, them. What go on, madam? How much for them fish, sir?
Yeah, part of pack in your brother.
Quarter of a pack. Nice parrot fish, guys. I'm gonna buy a pack of this and do a video for you, alright?
Want to pack them, man? Catch them people.
Yeah, wrap up a
Pack.
pack. Yeah, man, out in the street, people, getting some fish. Alright, let's wrap up a pack for me. Yeah. Yeah, that pack look good. We'll take that pack with some steamed fish or some brown stew fish. What's up everyone, I am Chef Raja Vlog and I'm back with another video. In this video guys, I'm going to make a brown stew parrot fish. You remember that fish I bought in the street of Barbados, guys? Yes guys. Well seasoned and nice over here. Wow, how beautiful they are looking, guys. Alright, and here I have some seasoning already prepped. Alright, over here I have some pimento and some chopped garlic. Okay guys, without no further ado, let's get in the video. Over here I have some oil steaming hot, so now I'm going to go in with my parrot fish. And each side, okay. Put it on the other side. Perfect. Welcome back guys. Now that's our fish are fried. We're gonna make our gravy now. So what I want to do is add 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh, this fat very hot guys. Alright. After the butter, you want to go in with your chopped garlic. Just gonna go ahead and add the pimento. Still it now guys, you want to add your season. You want to saute your season for about 2 minutes. Wow, this aroma guys is unbelievable. What I'm gonna do next, guys, going with some coconut milk. Mix up 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And you just want to allow this to come to a boil, guys. Make sure the coconut milk boils properly. Going in with a teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose. You don't want to give this a taste test, guys. Wow, fantastic, guys. Can't get better than this. We'll allow that to simmer about 5 minutes, and then we add our fish. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little brownie now. Wow, that's it, guys. Now we're going in back with our fish, guys. Okay, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. Quick and fast. Easy like that. Brown stew fish. Wow. Turn my stove off, guys. I'm gonna plate it and get back to you guys. There you have it, everyone. Finishing product of my brown stew parrot fish. Guys, if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and see you all in my next video.